Hi friends, today we'll discuss about terminologies related to Reserve Bank of India. Reserve Bank of India is big brother for all the banks in India. RBI will be monitoring, helping and supporting all banks to grow. So what is repo rate? Interest rate charged by the RBI when a bank has taken loan from the RBI. Normally, as a customer will take loan from bank. The same way, when a bank needs money, they will approach RBI. The rate charged on those loans called repo rate. At present, repo rate is 4%. What is reverse repo rate? Reverse repo rate is interest charged by the bank when RBI has taken loan from the bank. It is a reverse. RBI has taken money from the bank. So this is the rate charged on the loan, reverse repo rate. All this repo and reverse repo, these loans are short term loans for 7 days, 14 days, 28 days. Reverse repo rate is 3.5%. It is not exactly 3.5%, it will be keep on changing. Why you need repo or reverse repo? Repo is to control inflation. Reverse repo to control money supply in the country. Repo means RBI is pushing the money to the banks so that banks can lend the money. Reverse repo means RBI will control money supply in the country. How to control? If take out money from the bank, so bank cannot lend. So to control money supply in the country, Reserve Bank of India used reverse repo. So what is bank rate? Bank rate also same thing. Interest rate charged by the RBI when bank has taken loan from the RBI. This is for the long term, whereas repo is for the short term. So rate of interest is 4.65% per annum. Thank you friends.